Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the ToVi X1 Standard encoder module, which is part of the brand new ToVi solution from Orei, which allows you to easily create a flexible and expandable AV over IP solution for distributing all of your media content to multiple remote locations at the same time across your network, up to 328 feet away from the primary location. This product fully supports high-definition media content and is both HDMI 1.3 as well as HDCP 1.4 compliant, which means it's plug-and-play compatible with a wide universe of modern media equipment. It also provides both audio injection and audio extraction capabilities, so you can add an audio track to any of the media content you're distributing, or you can digitally separate the audio from any media stream and then pass that along to a soundbar, home stereo, or an amplifier system for better quality audio. And the product fully supports the PoE standard, which means when you plug this module into a PoE capable switch, you won't need to worry about a power supply because all the power required to operate the module is sent over that single LAN connection. And the best part is, the entire ToVi solution is software defined, so you can add additional encoder modules and additional decoder modules to expand your network as needed. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the product. And then I'll take a closer look at the module, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other products you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the module. You'll find a single 12-volt 1-amp DC power supply. You can simply plug this into a standard wall outlet. The other end has a barrel connection on it with a locking collar, which plugs directly into the back of the unit. But again, this product utilizes the latest in power over Ethernet technology. So if you connect this to a PoE capable switch, you won't have to worry about that power supply, which greatly simplifies your wiring. You'll also find a bracketing kit included you can use to mount the module up off the ground and out of the way, a series of connections you can use for the audio injection and the audio extraction capabilities, and finally a full instruction manual is also included that explains everything you'll need to know about this solution, so it's always important to read through that manual to make sure you get the best value possible. Now if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the module, and then I'll come back and point out some of those special features. The product features a full metal enclosure which makes it incredibly durable and helps to minimize outside interference from causing any issues with the sensitive electronics inside. On the top of the cabinet, as well as along both sides, and even the bottom, you'll find ventilation slots that are designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape to keep the electronics inside at a comfortable temperature. You'll also find mounting holes on either side of the cabinet that can be used with the included bracketing kit to mount this module up off the ground and out of the way. On the front of the unit, starting on the left is a power indicator. The minute you add power to the module, it starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light that power LED, letting you know it's ready to use. To the right of that is a link indicator. When you connect this to the network, once it's been powered up, it starts searching for that video network hub, and once it makes a connection over the network, the link light will come on, letting you know it's ready to use and it's made that connection. To the right of that is a 3-digit display that will let you know the current channel that this product is operating on, and you can change that by tapping these two buttons or using that video network hub and doing it through software. To the right of that is a reset button. You can actually use a paper clip and gently push that button once power has been applied to reset the module to factory settings if needed. On the rear of the unit, starting on the left, is a power port, and that's used with the included power supply. You can simply plug that power supply into a wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there with a collar you can tighten to make sure it doesn't pop out. But this module uses power over Ethernet technology, so if you plug this into a PoE capable switch, you won't need to worry about that power supply. To the right of that is a full-sized HDMI port labeled input. This connects to the media device that you'd like to share the content from with your network. Always use a high-quality HDMI cable for that connection. To the right of that is a LAN port, and that's where you'll connect this module to your network switch. To the right of that is an audio input and output connector. This product provides both audio injection and audio extraction capabilities, and if you'd like to take advantage of that feature, you can connect right here using the connector that's included with the kit. And then finally, to the right of that is an RS-232 connection port. This product can transfer RS-232 signals between the locations, and if you'd like to use that feature, you can use the connector in the kit to make a connection right there. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the ToVi X1 Standard Encoder module with other products you may be considering. And the first thing, and probably most important thing to understand, is that this module is a small part of the larger ToVi solution. So the encoder module connects to your media gear that you'd like to share with the rest of your network, and to use this you'll need a decoder module at the remote location, and the encoder module converts the HDMI signal into a network signal that's sent across your network, and the companion decoder module will decode that signal, turn it back into an HDMI signal for display in the monitor. You'll also need a video network hub, which contains the software that defines the relationship between the encoder and decoder modules, and you'll need some type of switch to create that networking backbone, preferably a PoE switch so you can eliminate the power supply. And the best thing about a ToVi solution is that it's totally software defined, which means you can add additional encoder modules with different media streams, additional decoder modules at all of your locations, and you can send different media streams to different locations, all controlled through that video network hub. This product fully supports high-definition media content, and it's both HDMI 1.3 and HDCP 1.4 compliant, which means it's going to work great with all of your modern media equipment. It also provides audio injection and audio extraction capabilities, and is fully PoE compliant, which really simplifies your wiring, because if you plug this into a PoE capable switch, you won't have to worry about that power supply, and that makes things so simple. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So thanks for watching, and as always, stay nerdy.